iPhone camera not working. You're not the only one facing this issue. Keep watching, as this article gathers all the common issues that may arise with both the front and rear cameras of the iPhone, along with the measures you can take to try resolving them. Part 1. Why is my iPhone camera not working? Camera app malfunction, iOS not updated, incorrect iOS update, software error, malware, camera lens blocked, hardware issues with the iPhone. Part 2. How to fix iPhone camera not working. Fix 1. Check the camera. Fix 2. Switch front and rear cameras. Fix 3. Restart the camera app. Fix 4. Restart your iPhone. 2. Phone front camera is not working. Fix 1. Clear the camera. Fix 2. Flip the camera. Fix 3. Test in another app. 3. iPhone back camera won't focus. Fix 1. Keep pressing the camera button. Fix 2. Restart iPhone. Fix 3. Check the rear camera for scratches. 4. iPhone camera's flash is not working. Fix 1. Test LED. Fix 2. Check location services settings. Fix 3. Restart your phone. 5. iPhone camera freezes or lags. Fix 1. Force quit the camera app. Fix 2. Turn off low power mode. Fix 3. Free up storage space. Fix 4. Update your iOS. 6. iPhone camera is blurry. Clean the camera lens. Switch to auto mode. Close all third-party apps. Reset settings. Settings, general reset. Reset all settings.